Welcome back to my channel Creative Exposure, where we simplify tech for everyone. Today, we're diving into Google Docs Forms, one of the easiest and most powerful tools to create surveys, quizzes, and so much more. Let's get started. What is Google Docs Forms? So, what exactly is Google Docs Forms? Well, it's part of the Google Docs suite, and it allows you to create customizable forms for collecting data. Whether you're hosting an event, running a survey, or creating quizzes, Google Forms has you covered. How to access Google Forms? For accessing Google Forms, just go directly to docs.google.com/forms/ into your browser and click on it. Creating a new form. Once you're in, click on blank to create a new form. You'll be greeted with a simple interface where you can add a title, description, and start building your form with different types of questions, like multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers. Google Forms allows you to completely customize your form. You can add images, change the theme colors, and even include a header image to make it more personal or brand-friendly. How to share your form. Once you're happy with your form, it's time to share it. Google Forms makes this simple. Click on Send, and you can share it via email, grab a shareable link, or even embed it in a website. And that's a wrap on Google Docs Forms. It's a powerful tool that's easy to use and can save you time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech tips. See you next video.